What's your name?
Reese Williams, known as Mo.
So what did you major in this course that you took?
PMT, Precision Machine Technology.
Okay. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's basically a background in it's like a form of manufacturing where we work on like CNC lathes, like other kind of lathes, surface grinders, bridge ports, pretty much using different types of steel and sorry about that. But pretty much using different types of like tool pieces and project pieces to make like different dimensions and inner dimensions and outside diameters, and pretty much making shapes that you need like the manufacturing industry as far as like washer nuts and like the cabinet parts and stuff like that.
So precision-based work.
Yes.
So you can become a machinist working in a company that does machine shop work.
Yes.
And what were the benefits of getting involved with this program for you personally?
Me personally, the benefits would have to be that it basically taught me something more as far as being more hands-on. It taught me something that I like to do because I like to do like hands-on type work. So with this kind of work, it's like you have to be on it. You got to be good with math, which I am. You have to be good at reading blueprints. It taught me a lot of things new, and I could benefit from it because I know pretty much in that field, you have to be a hard worker. You have to be determined to get the job done on time, if not a little on the early side. And that's pretty much so that you can be dependable when it comes to when like you got like a time slot, you gotta like fit in like a little tight gap. So basically being dependable and time maintenance.
Okay. And where do you hope to work in the future? Do you have an internship lined up, or?
Yes, I have one with SSP.
And what will you be doing there? Do you know yet, or?
I don't know just yet, but I do know that they're gonna have us doing something with the Bridgeport. That I had like a little experience in that, and we're supposed to be doing lathes, which I have a lot of experience in that. And hopefully it does have something to do with the lathes, which we can do is like micrometers and different kinds of calipers and stuff like that. And those are like basically the basic tools that I like to use.
Congratulations.
Dominic.
Good luck to you.
Dominic Prim. And what did you study down here at the ATA?
Cisco networking. It's a computer program.
It is?
Dealing with the computers.
So you know how to set up networks then for small businesses and big businesses, and
Yes.
could you go to my house and set up a network there?
Sure, if you want me to.
You're part of a pretty elite group of young people.
Yes.
Do you know there was 200 people interviewed for those positions here at the school, and only 50 got picked, and you're one of those 50?
Oh, I am?
Well, you were. You graduated today, right?
Yeah.
Pretty neat, huh? How you doing today, gang?
I'm great.
What did you think of all this training you just got?
Well, the training I got was an excellent experience. I learned how to do carpentry, plumbing, electrician, everything. And I'm great with my hands now and measuring everything.
Yeah.
It was a great experience for me.
So you went through a carpentry class here?
Yep, carpentry, construction. I was in the construction.
So what was the title of the class you took?
Building construction trade.
Building construction trades.
Yeah.
What did you take?
But I took welding.
You took welding?
Yeah.
What did you take, sir?
Also
Building construction. What's your name?
Arthur.
Arthur? Can I call you Art?
Yeah, sure can.
Did you learn anything else neat and interesting in this class?
Everything was pretty good. I just learned more about cement masonry and bricklaying and stuff like that. Various.
So you studied bricklaying and the construction stuff, okay. So if I need you to lay some brick at my house, you can come do that now?
Yep. But you don't have to pay.
What kind of certifications did you get, Art?
I have my OSHA 10 and that's it. Just so far to go on the job site.
Okay, OSHA
Crash a
10
job.
and going on the job site. When did you start class?
Probably like February, March.
Of this year or last year?
This year.
Yeah, okay. What's your name, sir?
Vernon Bentley.
Vernon.
Yes.
And you took the welding class.
Yes, sir.
That was pretty interesting, I imagine. There was a couple of different welds that Bob talked about. What were those?
Stick welding and MIG welding.
What's the
Certified in both of
differences?
them. Stick is when you use a rod to actually weld the metal plates together, and the stick, and the MIG is where it's like a wire that feeds out the gun,
Okay.
so you be able to weld. So, yeah.
And you went through the construction trade. What's your name?
Rashid.
Rashid?
Yeah.
What do you think of him finishing this class? What's your name?
Leroy Witherspoon.
Leroy? When did you start out at the ATA here?
The We started about January. I
January this
started my
year?
classes about mid-January.
What'd you study in here?
Welding.
Oh, you did the welding too, huh? Do you want to hang from a 50-story building and weld I-beams? No? What do you want to do then?
I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I honestly just took it, put it under my belt, future references.
How many certifications did you get with it?
Say that one more
How
time.
many certifications did you get with it?
2.
And those were?
Stick and MIG.
Did
Welding.
you get an OSHA certification too?
Yes, I got
So you
those.
got 3 then.